There's a letter here for you.
What's this? A letter for me.
Channel open.
Have you checked your email this morning, Mulder?
No, why?
Because I received something unsettling, and I wondered if you'd gotten it too.
What is it?
You've got mail.
Hallelujah. Look what just came in.
You got mail. Mail is good. I like my mail.
The mail! The mail is here! Ooh. Oh, well, looks like the mail's still working.
A letter for me?
Letter for me! Letter for me!
Those letters, I love those letters.
Congratulations, Skippy. You've got mail.
And the mailboat's in. Mailboat's in.
The mail! The mail is here!
Ooh. You've got mail.
3 little words. You've got mail.
Message delivery.
Message for you, son! Message for you, son!
There are new messages.
You have new messages.
Please stand by to receive.
We're receiving a transmission.
I'm receiving a transmission through the sensor network.
Holy shnikes.
You've got mail.
What the hell is email?
Your new mail is in.
There's a letter in your mailbox!
Channel opened.